In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a more specific answer from Chatgpt as beginners. First of all, we know that as new users of AI, we tend to give a very general prompt or question to AI tools. Which one of this is Chatgpt or OpenAI? So how to get the best and most satisfying answer from it by improving our prompts. First, refrain from using a very general prompt or question. For example, if you want to know how black hole form in space, don't simply type in, "Tell me about space." This kind of practice doesn't allow the tool to completely understand or solve what you're trying to ask. Instead, type a very specific prompt since these AI tools are trained intensively under specific conditions. So, just simply redo your question and make it, "How does black hole form in space and what are the effects of it?" So, as you can see here, after typing a very specific prompt rather than a general prompt, we have concluded and we have received a very specific answer that is satisfying and great for us. So that's it for our tutorial today. Thank you for listening.